Good afternoon, my dear students. This audio-visual explanation is about writing an email. In your exams, as second-year baccalaureate students, you are usually given an email and you should give an answer to it. So, this is an example of an email from your friend. Let's read it and try to answer it. Dear friend, a lot of people in my city are infected with the coronavirus. The virus is contagious. What should I do to be safe? All the best. Now, before we answer, we should think of some words or vocabulary that have a relation to the topic of our email. For example, we can have a look at these pictures which show some measures that people should take to protect themselves from the coronavirus. Picture number 1, wash your hands. Picture number 2, use soap. Picture number 3, avoid crowds. Picture number 4, wear mask. And picture number 5, avoid handshake. And picture number 6, keep physical distancing. With these words in the pictures and other words in your mind, you can form sentences using expressions of advice. I have provided you here with some expressions of advice that are very simple to remember. The first one, you should. The second one, you'd better. The third one, I advise you to. With these expressions, we can form examples or sentences like these. For example, I advise you to stay home and wash your hands well after touching things. Number 2, you'd better wear your mask and keep physical distancing. The third example, you should not shake hands with your friends or family members. Number 4, I advise you to avoid crowds. Stay away from big groups. Now, with these examples we have just formed and some others that you may form yourself, you can find good sentences or select good sentences for your email. And then you can write an email like this one. That is very easy for anyone to write. The email. Hi, my friend. Thank you for your email. First, I advise you to stay home and wash your hands well after touching things. In addition, you'd better wear your mask and keep physical distancing. Moreover, you should not shake hands with your friends or family members. I also advise you to avoid crowds. Stay away from big groups. I hope my advice are enough. All the best. If you have a look at this email, I have written some words and some letters and punctuation marks in red. The letters show you where to capitalize the letters. And the punctuation marks, again, the full stop shows you where to put the full stop. The comma tells you where you should put comma. For example, look at the linking words like first, in addition, moreover. These words are always followed, or we can say after them we put a comma. Again, I want you to look at the first line of your email. Hi, my friend, plus comma. And look at the last line of your email. All the best, comma. These are some of the rules that you should respect when you are writing an email. I hope my information are enough for you for this session. Thank you for your attention and see you next session.